Sending and getting data works, and that was the main objective of this course. But there is more we can add. For example, when we reload this page, we can of course always load all submitted experiences. And that's the great thing, by the way. Now, when we reload the page, the data isn't lost, because it is stored on this backend server. But when we reload, we might also want to fetch all submitted experiences automatically, without having to press this button first. And that's something that's very easy to implement in Vue.js. In the user experiences component, we have our code for fetching our data. We have the load experiences method. Well, of course, we can also trigger this method, not just when this button is clicked, but when this entire component is loaded for the first time. And how could we do that? Well, you might remember this Vue lifecycle, which every instance and therefore also every component has. We can utilize that. Every component follows that lifecycle, and therefore here in user experiences, we can simply add, maybe here towards the bottom, we can simply add the mounted hook, for example. This will be triggered when the Vue app is mounted, and that means when it's fully initialized and ready to get started. And here we could now trigger the load experiences method, ensuring that when this component is becoming visible, that then it will go ahead and load all experiences. And if I do that and reload, you see the experiences show up automatically after a short while without me pressing this button. Now, so that is a useful improvement here, I would say. What else could we improve?